Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 18 in the How to Build a Builderall Website training series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a subdomain and connect it inside Builderall. Basically, what a subdomain is let's say you have a fitness website, and on this fitness website, you have a blog and areas where they can connect with you by email and maybe buy a training course. However, you also have a store where you sell maybe fitness equipment or supplements. What you want to do is you want to build out your store, your website, but you want it to look totally different. In this case, you would create a subdomain. So if your store was called fitnessguru.com, your subdomain would be store.fitnessguru.com. And it just allows you to separate your website out into areas where you can easily customize them and look different. However, everything is connected on your same domain. So first of all, let's go ahead and go to our tree builder, click enter. All right. Now we have one here already made. I'm just going to delete this real quick. Now we have a Keto Aspire, ketogenic diet website. So we click on the settings and go to website. As you can see, this is our area right here, and we can. It's just a demo site, so nothing's going to be filled out exactly how we want it to. However, if we go up, and let's say we want to add a store button right here to go to our store selection so people can purchase from us. I'm going to go over here to the website, click edit, at the home page. Okay, and as you can see at the top, our menu at the very top shows our links. And I want to change the gallery area to store. So I'm going to click this, click the configure items, and under gallery, I'm going to edit, change this to store, click save. As you can see, it's trainer, store, contact. Click save. There we go. We're going to come back to this later once we have our link. Click save. Click that's fine. And close. So I'm going to click out of this. Click leave. Go back to our Chia website builder. And what we want to do now is we want to create our new website. It has to be a new website in order to do a subdomain. So I click down here, create site. Choose a professional template. On the left-hand menu option, we're going to go down to health and fitness. And we're going to choose this one, fitness, clothing, and accessories. This is going to be our store. Go ahead, select this and confirm. Okay, we're inside of our new store page. We're going to go down to site settings on the left, click, and we're going to click this, make this our Keto Aspire store. Click save. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down over to the left-hand side again. Going to click connect domain. And now we want this to be a store that is connected to our main Keto Aspire domain. One in the store dot ketoaspire.com. Click next. Do you really want to connect the domain? Click confirm. All right, now you're not going to have to worry about this for now, so just click close. In order for this to work, you do have to have your main domain connected to Builderall. So the main key to Aspire domain is already connected to Builderall, in my case. So, all right. Now let's go ahead and go to the website. And you see on the top, it shows our store.ketoaspire.com, but it's not secure, so it hasn't propagated yet. So what we want to do is we want to go down to our virtual office, our home office, in Builderall. We're going to go down to DNS Manager. Okay, these are all the three main domains I have connected. So under the main key of Aspire one, we want to go over to Manage, Connections. As you can see here, the store.ketoaspire is connected. It's generalizing the SSL for right now, so it has to, change over to SSL secure connection. After it does, it'll say OK. We can click Activate SSL, and it'll pop up this action is not necessary because it is happening automatically. To get back to your main domains, you click Domain. All right, and there we have it. Okay, once we check back, wait a few minutes, you see our store.ketoaspire subdomain is OK. Go back. And let's go ahead and check out the website again. Go to website. Now, right now it says 404 error because our cache isn't cleared. But if we go over to a private window, so a new incognito window, and we type in our URL, it's going to show the same thing. So it still hasn't propagated yet. So what we want to do is we're going to go to our incognito, try and paste this again. And as you can see, it shows up. So it just hasn't propagated. And also our cache isn't flushed out of our browser. So we go down here and we can see that this website is set up to sell products. Now, we also want to connect this to our main website. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. So on our main Keto Aspire website, click Edit. Edit page for home. Okay, we want to click this out of the way. Click the menu. Choose the gear icon, the configure items icon. Under store, we want to go to link. And we want to choose web. Under URL, we want to click the paste. And that's our store.ketoaspire.com. That's our URL that we clicked and we got from our incognito window. And you can choose to do open a new tab or same tab, it doesn't really matter. Click Save. Click Save again. Okay. Let's save one more time just in case. You always want to save before leaving the actual website, so there we go. Now let's try this out on the main website and see if it works. If not, we can go to our incognito. So up the top, we can click the, let's see, there we go. We got to refresh. See the store. We click the store, and it's going to show the 404 error again. So we want to go back to Keto Aspire Home. Copy. I'm going to paste this. And we're going to try this in the incognito window. Click Store. And there you go. This is our store connected. Our subdomain, store.ketoaspire.com. and they can go down and they can choose their products. So there you have it. This is how you create and connect a subdomain in Builderall. If you have any questions or comments, or would like any more videos from me to make on Builderall tutorials, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you'd like a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, I have my affiliate link down in the description box. Thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.